Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. Today we are diving deep into the lavish lifestyle of Italian heartthrob Alessandro Borghi. From red carpets to hidden talents, his 2025 journey is filled with luxury career milestones and surprising facts you won't want to miss. First of all, we talk about his early life. Alessandro Borghi was born September 1986 in Rome, Italy. Growing up in a vibrant culture capital, he was drawn to the arts from a young age, developing a deep interest in acting and cinema. His passion was fueled by classic Italian films and the rich theatrical heritage of his hometown. Education of Alessandro Borghi. Alessandro studied acting at the Centro Sperimentale di Cinematografia Italian National Film School. There, he refined his skill in dramatic performance and gained industry insight that would later help him land major roles in Italian cinema. Let we know about his career. Borghi began his acting career in Italian television but rose to prominence with role in the cinema drama Subura and Netflix adaptation Subura Blood on Rome. He became known for his intense and gritty performance, often portraying morally complex characters. His critically acclaimed portrayal of Stefano Succi in On My Skin earned him widespread recognitions and numerous awards, solidifying his place among Italy's top actors. Let we know about his family. He keeps his personal life private but has occasionally spoken about the influence of his close-knit Italian family. While he is not from an acting dynasty, his family's support was crucial to his artistic journey. Ethnicity of Alessandro Borghi. Alessandro Borghi is of Italian ethnicity and he is deeply rooted in the culture and artistic traditions of Italy, often selecting roles that reflect the country's social and political issues. Marital status. As of 2025, Alessandro Borghi is reportedly in a relationship but not publicly married. He prefers to keep his romantic life away from the media headlines, maintaining a low-profile approach to fame. Cars collection. Borghi has a taste for understated luxury. He is known to be on a classic Alfa Romeo and a Tesla Model S, blending Italian heritage with modern sustainability. He is not known for flashy rides but prefers style and substance. Social media fan following. He maintains a growing presence on platforms like Instagram, where he shares behind-the-scenes moments, travels, and updates from his film sets. As of 2025, he has over 500k plus followers with a fan base that appreciates his authenticity and commitment to meaningful storytelling. Some facts of Alessandro Borghi. Fact number 1. He once gained 18 kg, nearly 40 lbs, for his role in On My Skin. Fact number 2. Alessandro is an advocate for human rights and prison reform. And fact number 3. He is often compared to Hollywood actors like Christian Bale for his dedication to character roles. At last of them, let we know about his total net worth. As of 2025, Alessandro Borghi's net worth is estimated to be around $3 to $5 million, primarily earned from films, TV shows, and select endorsements. While not flashy, he invests smartly and supports philanthropic causes. So my friend, thanks for watching. If Alessandro Borghi lifestyle is impress you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more celebrity deep dives. See you in the next one and take care, all the best.